Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you change your default page of Bitget Wallet to directly wallet from home section. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now if you also like to see wallet while opening this Bitget Wallet application directly, you just simply have to tap into this 4 circle into the top left corner. Tap there and then you will get this option of advanced setting. Tap into advanced setting because we always go advanced, and then you just simply have to select this default start page. Tap into default start page and then it is selected into home into mine. Now you just simply have to select the wallet option and it will open into directly wallet from the next time. This way you can very easily change the default start page into your Bitget Wallet. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.